Rich Course, Class 10th, Subject Maths, Day 37. Unit Ratio and Proportion, Subunit Proportion and Continued Proportion. Important points. If A upon B is equals to C upon D, then A, B, C, D are said to be in proportion. A upon B is equal to C upon D is equivalent to A into D is equals to B into C. अगर रेशो A अपॉन B ये इक्वल हो C अपॉन D के, तब A, B, C और D प्रोपोर्शन में होंगे. A अपॉन B इज इक्वल टू C अपॉन D को क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो हमको A इंटू D इज इक्वल टू B इंटू C हासिल होता है. एग्जाम्पल फर्स्ट, if A, B, C, D are in proportion and A is equals to 5, B is equals to 10, C is equals to 3, then find the value of D. Solution: A, B, C, D are in proportion. So A upon B is equals to C upon D होगा. So A into D will be equals to B into C. So 5 into D is equals to 10 into 3. सो D इज इक्वल टू 10 इंटू 3 अपॉन 5 होगा. 5 से 10 को डिवाइड करते हैं तो 2 आता है. सो फाइनली D इज इक्वल टू 6. कंटिन्यूड प्रोपोर्शन. व्हेन टू रेशियोज आर इक्वल लाइक A अपॉन B इज इक्वल टू B अपॉन C, देन वी कैन से दैट A, B, C आर इन कंटिन्यूड प्रोपोर्शन. अगर A अपॉन B इज इक्वल टू B अपॉन C ये दोनों रेशियो इक्वल हो, तब A, B, C are in continued proportion. A, B, C continued proportion में होंगे. If AC is equal to B square, then A, B, C are in continued proportion. And if AC is equal to B square, then dividing both sides by BC, we get A upon B is equal to B upon C. When A, B, C are in continued proportion, then B is known as geometric mean of A and C or mean proportional of A and C. अगर ABC continued proportion में हो तब B को A और C का geometric mean या mean proportional कहेंगे. Hence all the following statements convey the same meaning. नीचे दिए गए सभी statement continued proportion को बताते हैं. First, A upon B is equals to B upon C. Second, B square is equals to AC. Third, A, B, C are in continued proportion. And fourth, B is the geometric mean of A and C. And fifth, B is the mean proportion of A and C. ये सभी स्टेटमेंट continued proportion को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. एग्जाम्पल: if x is the geometric mean of 16 and 4, then find the value of x. अगर x 16 और 4 का geometric mean हो तब x की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट कीजिए. सोल्यूशन: x इज द ज्योमेट्रिक मीन ऑफ 16 एंड 4, सो वी गेट x स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू 16 इंटू 4. सो x स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू 64. बाय टेकिंग स्क्वायर रूट ऑन बोथ साइड्स वी गेट x इज इक्वल्स टू 8. असाइनमेंट. फर्स्ट, इफ A, B, C, D आर इन प्रोपोर्शन and A is equals to 4, B is equals to 8, C is equals to 5, then find the value of D. Question number 2. If A is equals to 2, B is equals to 3, C is equals to 4, D is equals to 6, then verify A, B, C, D are in proportion or not. Third, if M is the geometric mean of 12 and 3, then find the value of M. Solution: first, A upon B is equals to C upon D. So 4 upon 8 will be equals to 5 upon D. So 4 into D is equals to 8 into 5 होगा. So D is equals to 8 into 5 upon 4 आएगा. So D is equals to 2 into 5. So finally D is equals to 10 होगा. Second, A is equals to 2, B is equals to 3, C is equals to 4 and D is equals to 6 are given. So A upon B will be equals to 2 upon 3. Now C upon D is equals to 4 upon 6. which is equals to 2 upon 3 होगा. So A upon B will be equals to C upon D. Hence, we can say that A, B, C, D are in proportion. Third, M is geometric mean of 12 and 3. So M square is equals to 12 into 3 होगा. So M square is equals to 36 आएगा. So M is equals to under root of 36. So M is equals to 6.